Walmart versus Amazon. One has less competition, the other has more traffic. Which one wins? Now, straight off the get, we manage clients on Amazon and on Walmart. The Walmart clients are making over $300,000 a year. The Amazon clients are making over $1 million. So Amazon does have more traffic. There's potential to make more money on Amazon, but on Walmart, it's easier, right? And I'm going to be explaining that, but right off the get, newer brands or resellers, Walmart's the best place to start. If you're a large brand and you've been in business, Amazon's the best place to go, right? And that's just my recommendation just from this breakdown. Now I have a little bit of a breakdown for you from Walmart to Amazon, and I have my personal experience mixed in, right? Now, the fees and cost, first off, why is it good? Why is Walmart good for newer brands? And that's because of the low fees. So Walmart, there's no fees when you start, right? There's no monthly management fee that you have to pay on a subscription basis. On Amazon, you're pretty much forced to pay $39.99 a month if you want to be on a professional plan. Now, you pretty much have to be in a professional plan if you want to succeed on Amazon. On Walmart, there is no plans at all, so there's no monthly subscription fee. That pretty much saves you money right off the get. Next is going to be competition. So even if you Google how many sellers on Walmart Marketplace, and we're doing like 2024, right now they're saying it's only 160,000, right? How many sellers on Amazon? 9.7 million. So on Walmart, there's like, we know for a fact there's less sellers on Walmart than there are on Amazon. A lot more, right? And you can obviously do the research and find out the exact number yourself. But right now, we can just confidently say that there's at least 9 million, let's say 2 million active, right, on Amazon, and less than 1 million on Walmart. Like there's a lot less sellers on Walmart. So there's a lot less competition. It's a lot easier for you to make money, right? So that's going to be the second one. So the first one, less fees on Walmart. So Walmart's winning in the fees game, okay? Competition. There's less competition on Walmart, right? And if we break down the fees as well a little bit more, so if you're like, okay, that's great for the monthly fees, but what about per product? So we listed this product, which is on Amazon and on Walmart, and we did a breakdown of how much it costs to fulfill and everything. So here's the Amazon breakdown, and Amazon charged us 15% per sale. Walmart only charges us 13.5%. So Walmart's like looking at Amazon, trying to charge less to get more sellers on their platform because they don't have a lot of sellers. Also, the shipping on Amazon was more expensive, $8.13. Shipping on Walmart, $7.75. This is with Amazon fulfillment, and this is with Walmart fulfillment, by the way. Storage, 87 cents. Storage on Walmart, 75 cents. So again, we're saving at least a little bit more than $1 per sale. And if you're selling a lot of items, $1 per sale adds up pretty darn quick. That means if we got $1,000, 1,000 sales, we would have saved over $1,000 selling on Walmart compared to Amazon. So yes, it is cheaper on Walmart, okay? So again, the fees. The traffic. Now, this is where Amazon wins, right? And that's why I say for the larger brands, if you already have a brand, start on Amazon because you've got that traffic already. It's got a lot more traffic. More traffic on Amazon. Less competition on Walmart. So the winner of this is going to be Walmart. Winner of this is going to be Walmart. And then the winner of traffic is going to be Amazon, right? Return policies. Amazon, it's so easy to return a product. They make it so easy. On Walmart, it's actually hard because what's happening is a lot of customers are messaging us, are messaging our clients. How do we return an item? We contacted Walmart. Even if it's Walmart fulfilled, they're having a hard time returning it. And sometimes Walmart forces them to go in person into a Walmart store and physically return it. That just decreases the return rate by a lot compared to Amazon. Just clicking a button. Sometimes they'll just pick it up at your house. You don't even need a barcode. You don't even need a box, right? So there's so many different ways for Amazon to return it. So you're going to get less returns on Walmart. Right? So Walmart's really competitive right now. So it's like Walmart is the place to go for newer sellers. Platform rules. There's like almost no rules on Walmart. Now there is rules, right? But if you were selling Pokemon cards and trying to get approved to sell Pokemon on Amazon, extremely difficult. We just got a client approved for Pokemon on Walmart within 2 days. Extremely easy, right? And Walmart accepts invoices from Target. Right? So you could just buy it at Target and then get approved to sell it on Walmart just from a Target invoice. Yes, that works. Yes, Target does supply invoices. You can Google it. So it's going to be a lot easier, less restrictions on Walmart. Now, Walmart is obviously coming out with more and more restrictions, but it's not nearly as close as Amazon. Buyer awareness. So on Amazon, people know you're selling, people know there's fakes. So they're like looking, is this a fake product? Is this it? On Walmart, they think only Walmart's selling products. They think it's only Walmart. They don't know there's third-party sellers on Walmart yet. So right now, I'm not saying if you're selling fakes, but just in general, the customers trust Walmart more, right? So customers trust Walmart more because they don't know there's third-party sellers, right? So again, Walmart's another winner. Fulfillment and shipping, they both are good at fulfillment and shipping, right? Walmart says the product's going to arrive in 2 days to the customer and it never arrives in 2 days. Amazon actually usually is legit with their timing. So if it says it'll arrive by Tuesday, usually it'll arrive by Tuesday. Walmart will say, oh, it arrives by Tuesday and it won't arrive until next Friday. So Walmart kind of lies to their customers a bit. Walmart won't let the customer cancel it. So I'm going to say Amazon has better fulfillment right now, yet they're more expensive. Right? So I'm going to say Amazon's winning this one. Ability to rank. So on Amazon, to rank, to get to page number 1, it's very difficult because of the amount of competition. On Walmart, it's very easy to get to page number 1. And Walmart has a special algorithm that they show you on the listing quality score. If you get your listing quality score up and you use Walmart fulfillment, it's very easy. I mean, extremely easy to get to page number 1, in my professional opinion. So to get to page without even running ads, you don't even have to run ads on Walmart and you'll generate sales. So to get to page number 1, easy. So I'm going to say Walmart's a winner here. And then advertising, this is where it gets bad on Walmart. It's because on Walmart, we've tested the ads, the advertising platform. It's so new. It's just terrible, right? So Walmart's running all these ads themselves and they're just kicking you off the first page. And obviously if Walmart's running their own ads for their own products, they're spending $0. So they're just kicking you off. And then you're getting tons of clicks and you're not generating any sales. And the minimum cost per click for some types of ads is 30 cents per click. When on Amazon, you could spend like 1 cent a click. So pretty much the advertising platform on Walmart is not mature enough yet. You will be losing money on the ads. Like it's not extremely profitable compared to Amazon. So Amazon ads are better, right? So if you're trying to focus on ads and Walmart's not the place to go. The Amazon, you're going to get a better ROI. It's more intelligent. The Walmart, it's like they're just trying to get you to spend money and take all your cash. That's what it seems like half the time. And you can have profitable campaigns on Walmart. It's just it's difficult to make many profitable campaigns at this point right now. Now they are optimizing their PPC system. They're having a hard time, but they're getting there. They're even giving away thousands of dollars in cash for free, like advertising credit cash. Like they gave one of our clients $2,000 in advertising credit that they had to use in a month. And it was good, you know, that, I mean, you can't beat $2,000 free advertising credit. But again, so if we kind of do the list, you can see that Walmart wins by a landslide. That being said, traffic is king. So if you're getting tons of traffic, you already have a brand, Amazon is going to make the most amount of money. Like I say, a lot of our clients are making over $1 million a year, some of them $1 million a month on Amazon. If they list the same item on Walmart, they will get to page number 1 extremely quick. but that traffic isn't there. So they're not going to be making $1 million a year. They might make $300,000 a year compared to $1 million. So that's like 30%. But it's going to be very hard to get to that level that Amazon's at, especially with Amazon's Prime Day, Black Friday. Everybody's going to Amazon to shop, right? So a lot of different things here, a big breakdown. Again, just to sum it up, if you're a small brand or a new brand or a reseller, Walmart's the place to go. If you're building a large brand or already in the process of building a large brand, Amazon's going to make you more money in the long run, right? I recommend to get on both, but if you could only pick one, I would be picking Amazon. Walmart's going to be number 2, but it's steadily fighting its way up, trying to get to number 1. And if you're in for the ride, you're going to have a big ROI. So learn them both and you can succeed in both. That's it for today's video. If you want more videos regarding Amazon or Walmart, tell me what to cover next. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.